Welcome back to Dinalicious 101. You guys ready to party with me? I know I am. I'm about to teach you guys how to make a popular Puerto Rican drink. I know that my Puerto Rican friends who are looking at this video are like, I know what you're making, girl. Yup, I am making some coquito, some delicious coquito. So let me go over the ingredients, what we're gonna need. This is gonna be probably a short video because it's pretty easy to make, but this drink is amazing, guys. So keep watching. We are going to need some cream of coconut, some coconut milk, some evaporated milk, and some condensed milk. Then we're gonna use some vanilla extract, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon. Now you could make this a virgin drink and just add an extra cup of regular milk or coconut milk. But in this case, since you know we're getting ready to party, I'm gonna use some Kraken rum. Now you guys can use any type of rum that you want. This is just the one I have available here. Typically I like to use the other one too, the coconut rum, Malibu. Malibu tastes awesome with this one. So keep watching. And I'm back. I have everything prepped, ready to get started. The one thing I forgot to say that I needed was I needed an egg. Next, we're gonna get ready to put all the ingredients into the blender. First, we're gonna do the coconut cream. And this one has 15 ounces. Then we're gonna do the evaporated milk, and this one has 12 ounces. Then we're gonna do 14 ounces of condensed milk. Good. We're going to do a can of coconut milk for 13.5 ounces. And we're going to start putting in our other ingredients. We're going to do the ground cinnamon. A half a teaspoon. A half a teaspoon of ground cloves, now we're going to do a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're going to do 3 half teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2, 3. And then for the eggs, we're gonna do just like the egg yolk. I'm gonna take out the egg whites. Wow, this one's being stubborn. There we go, beautiful. We don't want to put any egg whites, just the yolk. And now we're gonna blend. So if you guys want to leave it just as a virgin drink, I recommend you put an extra cup of regular milk or almond milk or whatever milk you want to use. Put an extra one in here. But we're going to make the alcoholic version today. So I'm going to put 1 full cup of my rum. Now this is to your liking. You can put more rum in if you want. And we're gonna blend. All right. You guys, this is like pure deliciousness. And taste it. Perfect. So this is our final product. As you can see, I just garnished this with some cinnamon and some ground cinnamon, a little cinnamon stick. This is absolutely delicious, guys. Can't emphasize. And then the amount that I made fits one of these bottles. And I just got this at Target. But this is a great holiday gift as well if you want to take it to the office or to a coworker or something like that. This is guaranteed that they'll love it. This is amazing. And then the other thing that you can do, if you wanted to do it a different flavor, you can put some Nutella in it and make some chocolate coquito. So I don't know if you guys want me to make that. If you guys want me to make that, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll go ahead and make the chocolate version of this, which is equally amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. And I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that have been supporting my channel. And I really appreciate all the views I've gotten, all the thumbs up, and all the very nice and wonderful comments. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.